Pryor Schools has partnered with Rocket Drones to help expand our existing drone career pathway. We use the Rocket Drones platform to teach our future remote pilots and drone racers the flight skills they need to successfully apply in industry. The Rocket Drone platform allows students to learn on multiple airframes, so they don't learn to fly just one drone, but they build flight skills that will serve them well into their future. At Pryor High School, we have students who are Part 107 certified, and they also race on our Rocket Drones equipment. As a requirement for their racing duties, they must mentor a younger student. Mentoring happens in our after-school program, where we teach middle school and high school students of all abilities to fly and race. We use Rocket Drones obstacles, drones, software, and games to design activities and training courses to build pilot muscle memory. The Rocket Drones equipment and software are robust enough to provide a unique training and racing experience for students at all ability levels, from never flown a drone beginners to already certified and accomplished pilots. Here at Pryor Schools, we have been using the Rocket Drones platform for about a year and have yet to discover all of the features of the program. We are looking forward to continued use and growth in the next year and beyond. Nice work.